Welcome. Today I am with B&O BeoplayH4 headphones, and I'm going to show you how we can move them to the pairing mode. So the first, we have to focus on the right headphone. In this place we can find 3 buttons. At the first we have to click and hold this one to move them to the normal active mode. Right now they are turned on, so we have to click and hold these 2 buttons to move them to the pairing mode. And when this indicator starts blinking on blue, it means that we successfully move our headset to the pairing mode. Right now, you can open the Bluetooth settings on your device and then just simply find them on the available devices list. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.